Welcome back! Let's take a quick look at today's top 40. We'll be counting down from number 31, Cronos, ApeCoin, Algorand, Near, VeChain, Filecoin, Lido, Internet Computer, and we'll end with EOS. It's in the game at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Crypto.com coin, we still have a target over here. The thing I like about Crypto.com coin is that we keep getting mountain ranges. Mountain 1, 2, 3, right? Descending triangle, boom. This is something like a head and shoulders, boom. We're getting another kind of a mountain range over here, boom. So yeah, every time we fall, we have clear targets. And yeah, the next target that we have is at 2830. And usually when we have targets, right, we will overachieve our targets. I also do suspect that we will be overachieving our targets eventually. I think we'll be taking out the lows here and here as well. And I kind of like what I see because Crypto.com CROBTC is actually falling in a very controlled manner, right? Yeah, we're not exactly blasting all the way down like what happened over here, right? Way back in 2020, we're just slipping all the way down, slip and slide. Yeah, that's not happening right here. So see, this is a very well constructed falling channel, very well constructed. So to me, this is a wave C. I think it could eventually become a wave C, right? There are a lot of setups. Yesterday we were doing total technical analysis in Discord, and we were talking about the moonshots that we had, right? Our list of moonshots, coins that has potential to, you know, go para. And yeah, I think CRO is one of those coins that has potential to go para once the potential bull run resumes. The hope is that the bull run resumes and we continue going para for CRO BTC as well. CRO USDT, we are, yeah, it's the same thing. We still have a target towards the downside, right? Both of these targets were just acquired today, fresh out of the oven, right? For the USDT pair, the target is at 4.55 cents. We're at 5.98. So yeah, I don't think we are done yet. Not for CRO, I don't think so. I think there's still more downside, and the target we have is 455. So be very careful about rushing into anything, right? Especially towards the upside. We could still drop another, how many percent is this? 25%. If you had 10,000 over here, it would have become 7,005. Would be better if you got it at a much lower price, right? But again, I can't say for sure if this is the bottom, or even, you know, we could actually be dripping a little bit lower. But the point is, I just can't say for sure. So yeah, there you go. I just feel like the end may not be too far away, and there should be a strong rally coming on. My fear is that this strong rally that comes on may not be the kind of rally that we are hoping, right? But we'll see how it goes first, though. We shall see how it goes. And I think that there's still more downside. It's better that we just, you know, zip down rather than if we were to rise higher, we form proper bearish chart patterns. This is going to bring us even lower, right? So this is like a mini, as a mountain range as well, but it's a mini one. I think we can kind of handle this in the sense that we probably wouldn't drop as far as I would think we would drop, right? So if you look at the gigantism, the size of this chart pattern, right, and look at how far and how fast we fell, right, and things just keep getting smaller and smaller. It was this big and it keeps getting smaller, right? So the bigger the chart pattern, the further you fall. The smaller the chart pattern, the not as far you fall, right? Nearer you fall. No, you just don't fall as volatilely as a bigger chart pattern, right? So we're getting a smaller one, even smaller one over here, so we fall even, you know, smaller, which is good, which is what we want. Usually when the end comes, you know, you will see things like this, right? It starts big, but the whales lose strength along the way, right? You can see the weakness coming on at the pull towards the downside. So this is good. Yeah, so this is just what you call cycles, right? It's like the weather, hot and cold, right? Yes and no, up and down, right? I'm becoming Katy Perry. Moving on would be ApeCoin, right? ApeCoin against BTC. Ape BTC, here we are, Ape BTC. I think Ape is about to make a move though. I can't say for sure how it's going to look like because this is not a high quality reversal chart pattern. Could this turn into high quality reversal? Of course. No, excuse me. How would it look like? I am not too sure. Again, this is just, we're just plotting the possibilities of what could happen, right? Bullishly, we could do something like this, right? I don't know, you can argue this is a head and shoulders, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You can also argue this to be a ascending triangle, right? We go higher, right? Yeah, but at this point of time, it's just not really that good looking to me. I don't really like what I see. So yeah, at this point, I would just be very cautious about, you know, committing into anything for ApeCoin. Not at this point of time though. I just don't see it yet. Ape against USDT, yeah, you can see that this is a very clear resistance line. Well designed. It's well designed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 freaking touches. It's going to break. Once it breaks, I'm expecting big moves towards the upside. How much? Well, we go probably around $8. That's my guess. $8, and then we come back down. My guess is that this is going to be something like this, right? This whole thing is an A. We go up for a B. We come down for C, D, E, and then eventually we break higher. That's my guess. Will we get this for ApeCoin? I don't know. But this is the guess that we have. So, yeah. Breakout here. Something like this. And then we break up. Woo! This would be awesome, right? This would be awesome. But it will be a lot of zigzagging, right? It's like a roller coaster. But this is good. This would mean that the whales are actually accumulating. But there could be something even better, right? We could actually be rising all the way back up. This would be even cooler. Cooler! Right, something like that. This will be even more awesome. Awesome possum. And we go even higher. This would be great for Ape, but I just don't see it yet. Not at this point of time. Could we still head lower? Of course. Any guarantees that we're going to be breaking now after 5 touches? No guarantees. This is how it is in trading. There's 0 guarantees in trading. So yeah, you just have to wait for it. Wait for the opportunity to present itself. Algorand against BTC. Okay, ALGO is a bit ugly in the sense that, you know, we've already taken out the lows over here, right? I mean, if we discount this rare wick towards the downside, right? This unintended wick, we would have already taken out the lows of ALGO BTC. We were actually anticipating this to be a 5-wave squeeze, but the moment you take out the lows, it's no longer a squeeze. So it's just becoming something else for ALGO BTC. ALGO USDT. ALGO USDT. Yeah, ALGO USDT could still complete a potential wave C, right? Holding down wave C, we start reversing. Woo, this would be great though. But I don't see the reversal yet. So I'd be very cautious about rushing into anything for ALGO against USDT or against BTC. Near against BTC. Yeah, near there's some reaction, some positive reaction towards the upside. Is this the bottom? I don't know. Any bullish reversal chart patterns? Nope, none at all. So it's just not really that tradable, not at this point of time. Near against USDT, any clear reversal chart patterns? Or yeah, no, you don't see it. We could turn into an inverse head and shoulders though, right? But if you anticipate things to drop a little bit further, so yeah, this actually may not be the bottom. We might drip a little bit more before reversing back up, something like that. But yeah, it's just not too, you know, high quality for trading, right? This was a very nice, right, long-term range. We fell, right? Head and shoulders, something like that, and then we fell, right? Clear targets. All targets hit. We have no more targets for near against USDT, right? Unless this is a 1, 2, 3. We rise up, we get another one, pump, 4, 5, right? This is a wave 2. If we do proper consolidation, this could become a wave 4, which means that we could still drop much lower for near against USDT, but we don't see it yet at this point of time. And yeah, we're not going to be rushing to anything. We want to see a proper reversal chart patterns first before calling. Yeah, you know, bull season, right? We're still under the skinny pink line, so we're still largely in a bearish trend, and we are bias bearish for near against USDT. VeChain, yes sir, VeChain. Sunny Lou, what's up, Sunny Lou? We had a very nice trade for VeChain. We were calling for VeChain to hit, I think was it 240, 220, 230, 224, I think. Was it 224? Way back in 2020. I wish I could show you the trade that we took for VeChain, right? It was actually in public. We had a target over here when things were actually rising, and we were like, okay, I think VeChain is going to go up to 224. And we actually had a target for it, and we actually hit target. Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. How did we know that it was 224? That's the secret sauce. That's the secret. So yeah, we hit 224. This was awesome though. This was really awesome. Yeah, but because my old channel, YouTube arbitrarily removed it for some weird reason, so yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. VeChain against BTC, there's just nothing much. Not at this point of time. We will know if there's something, but at this point of time, there's nothing. VeChain against USDT, we like what we see. We're falling in a very controlled manner. This is very good. Something that we like. The target that we have is 0.0123, right? 0.0165. So yeah, we're expecting the 0.618 golden retracement ratio to be hit. There will be another 25%, 25, 26%. So yeah, more downside for VeChain. I don't think we are done yet. So we gotta be very careful about rushing to anything, right? Especially towards the upside. I mean, of course, I could be wrong, and suddenly out of nowhere, pew, right? Of course, but I just don't see it yet. So be careful about rushing to anything, right? Filecoin against BTC. So this is Filecoin BTC. Oh, what a shit show. Yeah, we've really taken out all-time lows for Filecoin against BTC. So, you know, if you had your money in BTC all along, right? If you were in Filecoin anywhere around here, the moment it rose up, you switch over to BTC, or let's say, for example, we discount this stray week, right? We just, you know, make an entry around this area. You still do so much better, right? Because we fell 95%, right? So if you were in BTC, you would be secure. And yeah, Filecoin just doesn't really look that good. I mean, of course, it'd be great, right, if you could read chart patterns. But anyway, Filecoin doesn't look good. I don't see any clear signs of a reversal. If anything, I would still be expecting more downside, right? I don't think this is the bottom. I think there's still another round of something like this, right? Round 1, round 2. I think there's a round 3 coming on. I suspect there's a round 3 coming on. But we'll see, right? We'll see. The thing is, we don't have target for the BTC pair, but we have targets for the USD pair. Ta-da! The target is $2.40. We are at $3.30. So 330 to 240 is another 20%. So I've been getting targets towards the downside, 20-something% type of targets, and I really think that this is very close to the end. I honestly do think that we're close to the end. And like I was saying, you know, I can count 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. It's 5 waves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's another one. 5. That's my guess. I mean, of course, I could be wrong, right? I mean, we could just blast off from here for sure. But I think there's another wave lower. So yeah, be very, 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 very careful. Let's say, for example, we make a cheeky entry, right? Okay, at target, we make a cheeky entry, right? And if we were to go back up to, we're going to count this, not this, right? To the all-time highs over here, that'll be $200, but this will be 8,000%. 8,000%. This is 82x, which means that if you had 10,000 at the bottom, you have 82,000. What am I talking about? You would have 820,000 at the top at $200. Put a sell order at $200 from 240 to 200. You get your 80,000, right? Times 8 is 80 times 82. Oh no, it's 800,000. Did I say 80,000? Yeah, 800,000. Ooh, right, that's a lot of money. So yeah, but the thing is, we don't know yet. we don't do things like this unless we really know the fundamentals of the company inside and out. And yeah, again, I just don't see the chart pattern pointing towards $200. And even if we did get you know, a nice rally for Filecoin to $200, we need to see that reversal come in first, right? The reversal chart pattern. Probably there'll be a very long accumulation period, right? For a period of months. And yeah, that could be the 2024 rally for Filecoin. That's my guess. So yeah, we'll have to take things one step at a time though. But yeah, that's Filecoin for you, right? Lido DAO, LDO BTC. LDO BTC, ooh, look at this. We're springing up to life. It is the largest DeFi project with the largest total value locked. I think that's LDO. So yeah, that's zero. Okay, let me just show you. TVL DeFi list. DeFi Llama, all chains TVL. You will see DeFi. Is it chains? Overview. Lido. You see Lido at the top, right? And Lido has total value locked 6.17 billion, yo. MakerDAO is only 6 billion, right? And 3.6, 3.7, 3.6, 3.3. Yeah, and it goes down and down and down. But there's a question mark over here, which means that it is questionable. But the point is, we just take it at 6.17 billion, right? And yeah, Lido DAO is at the top. It's at the top, boys and girls. It's at the top. So yeah, I think maybe that's the realization, you know, that everybody's and maybe, you know, that's a move for LDO against BTC. Not just against BTC, but against the USD pair as well. Yeah, but again, Lido DAO is largely untradeable. It's largely untradeable. I don't see the trade for LDO. And moreover, we've perfectly hit all targets for LDO. We've had targets, and yes, it's just all hit, and we are out of downside targets. Could we still hit lower? Of course. Of course. We could still get mountain ranges and still hit lower, for sure. But the point is that there's a very nice rally coming on, right? And if we rally a little bit higher towards $1.70, ooh, boys and girls, we could be getting a potential inverse head and shoulders. Haha, we could be breaking higher. Woohoo! Right. Am I right, boys and girls? Ooh, this would be great though. This would be awesome. But yeah, I'm not too sure myself yet. We are not exactly in a bullish trend for Bitcoin, so I'd be very careful about calling bullish reversals. I don't even see the chart pattern for LDO yet, right? When we fell, we saw chart patterns, and we got targets, but I don't have any targets towards the upside yet, so we are remaining patient for LDO. ICP! Yeah, you know me! ICP against BTC, yeah, we're out of targets. We are out of targets, but this, you know, higher low is just, it's just too close to each other. So I would, you know, suspect that we'll probably take out these lows first. Pew pew! Before seeing some sort of a reversal for ICP against BTC. That's my guess. I could be wrong, but I think this is what's going to happen for ICP. If I'm not wrong, right? We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes, right? $3.30. Yes, this is the target we have for ICP USDT. This is the target that we have derived. I mean, we got it since September, boys. September, boys and girls. We are already in January 2023. I think we'll eventually hit it. I think so. As Bitcoin drops a little bit further, right? 15%. Could we be breaching $3? Yeah, of course. We could. We could be dipping our toes into maybe $2 and I don't know, 90 cents, 80 cents, and then after that maybe a strong recovery for internet computer. Ooh, 2000%. Woohoo, that's a lot. Yep, it could happen, but yeah, we're gonna take things one step at a time. We're gonna see proper chart patterns first, and then only do we put in proper targets and put on proper trades. Until that happens, we shall remain patient because we don't know how much longer the downwards trend is going to continue. EOS against BTC. Here we are. It's very poor. A poor performing coin. We've been down. Is this the end? I don't know. We could still go down, right? You might think like, oh, is this the end? Nope. Yay! You'll be expecting recovery. Nope. We fell again. We hit the skinny pink line. We fell again, right? We attempted to break again. Yeah, it just keeps getting slapped down. Slap. We're getting slapped again. The best case scenario, right? Best bullish case scenario for EOS BTC is we start rallying above the skinny pink line, right? And we stay above the skinny pink line. Rise up, and we continue to consolidate and rise up as the skinny pink line continues curving back up. Then that will be the start of bull season for EOS against BTC. But we don't see it yet. We're still mucking around under the skinny pink line, and we're still getting slapped left and right. So we have to be patient. We have to wait for the signals to turn green. It is not green yet. So yeah, such is life. US against USD, so ugly. The chart pattern is just so ugly. We're under the skinny pink line. Any clear signs of a reversal? I don't see it. Could we still head lower? Sure. Is this tradable? No. It's just very ugly. I wish that there was something nicer, you know, that we could take a look at. But boy, it's just not really looking that good, right? Could we drop to like, I don't know, take out these lows? Of course. Let's say, for example, we drop to 76 cents. We put on an entry and we hope that it goes close to the highs. Okay, let's say, for example, $12. It goes to $12. We put a sell at $12. This is a 14x. Not too... excuse me. Not too shabby. Yo. Not too shabby. Yeah, but again, I just don't see it yet. So be careful, right? Be careful about rushing into anything for EOS. Alright, guys, that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!